Hey there, get ready to transform your Halloween experience with the LED mask with Programmable App and Gesture Sensing, the ultimate DIY unisex LED lighted face transforming mask. This innovative mask lets you customize your look with ease, using a user-friendly app to program endless designs and animations that will make you the star of any costume party. With its cutting-edge gesture sensing technology, you can switch between different modes and designs with a simple wave of your hand, adding an interactive element to your costume. Perfect for Halloween or any event where you want to stand out, this mask is designed for both comfort and style, fitting snugly on any face while providing a dazzling display of lights. Whether you're aiming for spooky, fun, or futuristic, this mask offers endless possibilities for creativity and expression. So, why settle for ordinary when you can light up the night and captivate everyone around you with this extraordinary LED mask? Get ready to dazzle and delight with a mask that's as unique as you are. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.